क्रिकेट प्रेडिक्टर पावर्ड बाय 1x बैट में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं दामिनी जुयाल। आज का मैच होने वाला है यूएसए वर्सेस इंग्लैंड के बीच और ये मैच बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि ये होने वाला है केंसिंगटन ओवल में। इतना खूबसूरत स्टेडियम, 28,000 की कैपेसिटी वाला, वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल स्टेडियम इन वेस्ट इंडीज। इस पूरे मैच पर चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ दोनों गेस्ट यहाँ मौजूद हैं। नोएल डेविड, फॉर्मर इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर, आज हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद हैं। नोएल, आपका स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में।
Hi Damni, how are you?
I am doing good, Noel. How are you?
Good, Damni.
मैं बुलाना चाहती हूँ अगले हमारे गेस्ट को। वो है तन्मय मिश्रा, फॉर्मर केन्या इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर, आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है। तन्मय, आपका स्वागत है आज के प्रोग्राम में।
Thank you, Damini. How are you?
I
Good
am doing
afternoon,
good.
good evening to your viewers. Hello, sir. कैसे हो आप?
Hi, Tanmay.
चलिए, पहला ही सवाल मैं स्टेडियम से ही शुरू करती हूँ। केंसिंगटन हमारा स्टेडियम है। आज का मैच यहीं पर खेला जाएगा। पिछला मैच हमने देखा था, इंडिया वर्सेस अफगानिस्तान भी यहीं पर हुआ था। तो पूरा डिस्कशन करते हैं कि इसके पिच में क्या प्रॉब्लम आती है, या आपने जो मैच में पूरा आपने नोटिस किया होगा, उन सारे पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस करते हैं। नोएल, आपसे शुरू करते हैं, स्टेडियम पे डिस्कशन करते हैं कुछ।
No, whenever this stadium arises, I go back to 97, where we lost the test match. Thanks to Franklin Rose, who destroyed us. Chasing 120, we just got 80. So, and I've already said this on the show, it's not going to be easy for the batsmen in the second half of this innings, because Barbados has always been on a slow side of the wicket, because last show when me and Tanmay were discussing, they have only 4 strip which has to be reused for back-to-back games, and when it's reused, wickets dry out, and it becomes on a slower side. Ball doesn't carry much. Spinners can be helpful, which we have noticed during the India match, against the Afghanistan, and I think that's the only thing which the team needs to look out. I think whichever team wins, I think they will choose to bat like the Indians. And I find that the sides of the ground is a smaller side, and in length it's a bit big. So I think overall, if I just say it in a one-liner, I think both the teams will look to get 180 or 170. Even 160 will be a good score on them.
राइट, नोल। तन्मय, थोड़ा रन स्कोरर्स पे भी बात कर लेते हैं। जो हाई रन स्कोरर्स हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के, उनके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया,
सॉरी, अमेरिका। आई एम सो सॉरी, वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया मेरे मुंह से निकला। आई एम सो सॉरी। यूएसए।
इट्स ओके, इट्स यूएसए। देखिए, अभी तक उनके कप्तान इंजर्ड रहे हैं, तो अभी पता नहीं कि क्या तरीके की उनकी टैक्टिक्स रहेंगे वो, क्योंकि मैं ये इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि बिकॉज he was the highest run getter against Pakistan, and him not being in the top order has sort of dented the way they play. Although, look, they gave a very good account of themselves in the South Africa match where they almost chased it off. And you have to understand one thing about this wicket. The final of the T20 World Cup is going to take place over here, which is the center strip. So I don't think so they're going to be using that. So it's going to be on the side. And once again, when you play on the side, one side of the ground becomes very small. And, USA should take that advantage, because we know England is going to come hard at them. USA should be able to, try understand that the dynamics of the field and what are the strengths. Somewhere down the line, I do believe that USA have good spinners. And look, England's a champion side, and they've given a good account of themselves. And we also spoke on this medium about the fact that the bigger teams, the stronger teams, will come at USA hard to get the net run rate and runs up. But from a USA point of view, it's another opportunity to play a big team and gain experience. I'm not saying that they should just go up and show up. They should be looking to win the game, but ideally they should try and make sure where they can counter this team. I do believe that this ground offers a bit of turn. Harmeet Singh, someone that I've played a lot of cricket with, I do believe that he's got an opportunity to stake a claim and try and make sure that attack with spin. not that I'm saying that England cannot counter it, because they've got the likes of Moeen Ali, Joss Butler, Phil Salt, Johnny Besto, who've had tremendous experience in the IPL. But the fast bowling, I don't see much help, because as we keep playing, this is, I think, the fourth or the fifth game on this wicket. So somewhere down the line, a bit of help that is there for the fast bowlers goes out of the way. So it'll be interesting to see how USA goes. I'd also like to see Corey Anderson, being played slightly ahead in the order. We've not seen much of him. When you bat at number 5, you don't get too many balls. He's someone with the most experience in that team. So yeah, that's the only thing I want to see from them, where they use him as an ace. If he gets it right, he might keep USA in the game.
राइट तन्मय एक्चुअली नोल मैं आपको ऐड तो करवाना ही चाहूंगी, साथ में एक
Can
और
I add?
सवाल एक साथ अटैच कर रही हूँ. यस इट्स योर चांस एक्चुअली. आई वांट यू टू ऐड ऑन टू दिस
Just
एंड
to
प्लस वन
Tanmay,
मोर
I'll just add a quick one. Just
Yes.
that Tanmay has really nailed it. Okay, he's really nailed it with the US team. But if I add a little spice to it, if USA wins the toss, bats first, and put a good total on the board, I think England can really be struggling with the spinners what the US team has, because and these guys they are most of the Indians, they know how to bowl on a slow track.
Yes.
All right. And Harmeet is already played India under 19. He's played a lot of cricket in India. He knows how the tracks play. Even the other left-arm spinner is, he knows there are other. So I think the spinners of the US team is little bit more than the English, because Moeen Ali is, comes, Liman, is just another. But Adil Rashid is one experienced bowler, and I think. But if these guys bat first and put the total, I think the match we can see a very close encounter.
नोल आपने मेंशन तो कर ही दिया, साथ साथ मैं विकेट टेकर्स के बारे में भी आपसे ही राय जानना चाहूंगी. यहाँ पर हाई विकेट टेकर्स, अगर हम यूएस की टीम के बारे में बात करें, तो आपको कौन से लगते हैं, कौन से हैं, और आज के मैच में उनका इनटेक या उनका आउटपुट किस तरीके से हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
See, it is, if I take US bowling side, I think the guy who has really impressed me is only one guy, is the Saurabh Netrokar. I think if you see the game against us, the way he has bowled, I think that the planning, the way he got Hardik out, I think he planned it very well, pulling wide outside the off stump. Not sorry, not us. I think it was against the South Africans. Sorry, against the South Africans. I'm really sorry, against the South Africans. If you see the way he got Makram out, if you see, he bowled wide outside the off stump, bowled wide outside the off stump, and the one he bowled really depth Yorker length, and Makram tried to open the blade and hit it towards point area, and he was caught. After that was a great planning by him. I think he has been outstanding, phenomenal throughout the tournament, and I think he'll be a pick for the US bowling side if I want to name one person from, because yes, Harmeet is there, who's is there, but I would love to see more of that turn in him. If Harmeet turns that ball, I think he'll be a dangerous bowler today.
राइट नोल. तन में दो नाम लेती हूँ यहाँ पर, जॉस बटलर वर्सेस मुनांक पटेल. कौन से दोनों में से आपको लगता है कि ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर है और आज बहुत चेंजेस ला सकते हैं? जॉस बटलर सबके फेवरेट है. मुनांक पटेल ने इस बार हम लोगों को परफॉर्मेंस के रूप में दिखाया कि वो भी अच्छे तरीके से आगे आ सकते हैं और बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपटीशन दे सकते हैं. दोनों पे आपका क्या कहना है?
देखिए, मैं जॉस बटलर के बारे में क्या कहूँ. कुछ भी कहेंगे तो सर्टन पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, नॉट टू नेम राजस्थान, they will be at us. He's been a champion player for RR, and in the last 3-4 years, the sort of batting Joss Butler has done. Look, you cannot compare both the batters. Obviously, one who's won World Cups, and you have to compliment both of them in their own respective way. Understand that this is a huge feat for Monank Patel as a captain to get them in Super 8, for all the challenges they've had. And finally, they'll start getting international cricket and they will grow. On the other side, you're talking about a player that has won T20 World Cup, has won the 50-over World Cup, and, he's won hearts in India.
Yes.
There is not much that he's not done. He's an absolute champion. He conducts himself really well, a thorough professional, and a very likable guy. They both have their strengths. and we are just happy that this stage has brought us two people that we can celebrate them together in their own ways. But speaking in terms of cricketing skill, I think Jos Buttler is really he's ahead, to put it mildly. And but we would love to see Manang Patel do well for his country, get some runs. But Jos Buttler, being Jos Buttler, is an exceptional player, and I think this is another opportunity on a good wicket for him to get big runs.
राइट, तन्मय राइटली सेड एंड नोएल, आई थिंक आपने जितने भी पॉइंट्स आज मेंशन करे पूरे प्रोग्राम में वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जिससे जो देख रहे होंगे व्यूअर्स उनको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. थैंक यू आज प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए और अपने सारे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के लिए, साथ ही अपनी टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपने पूरे मैच को डिफाइन किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. नोएल डेविड एंड तन्मय मिश्रा, थैंक यू वेरी मच. क्रिकेट प्रेडिक्टर पावर्ड बाय 1x Batman.
Thank you, Damini.
Thanks, Lamini.